A seahorse.
Oh, worst joke ever.
Are you ready for game night? I sure am. Knick-knack. Who wants to play a game of ONU?
35 seconds later.
I guess Knick-knack can go first. Knick-knack for the win. You're canceled, you're canceled, you're canceled, and you're canceled. Knick-knack, you can't do that. On the reverse. Are you sure you want to stay with him?
Does this look unsure to you?
No, but you're a great big nerd.
Twister.
Is anyone okay?
No, we're not okay.
It's not my fault that you've never played this game. Wanna fight? Come on. I really hate him. You mean Nitch?